When we talk about the platform as a service, it is the middle ground between infrastructure as a service and software as a service, which is nothing but IaaS and SaaS. Okay. Now, what is the responsibilities here from the cloud provider ends? They maintain the physical infrastructure, security, and the internet connectivity. Now, this is the same as we were discussing in the infrastructure as a security, right? So this was something physical one which they have to maintain actually. They manages the operating system, okay, middleware, development tools, whatever the development tools, for example, the Power BI is there, one of the tools, they maintains that, okay. Business intelligence services, your responsibilities would be to focus on application development without worrying about any infrastructure maintenance. So basically what they are giving you, they are giving you a platform where you can develop your own tools, you can develop your applications. Okay. In the shared responsibility model, the first one is cloud provider. Obviously, they are handling the physical infrastructure, OS. This thing we have already discussed. Now we may manage networking settings, application security, data directory infrastructure, and other configurations as well. Depends on the requirements. Scenarios for platform as a service is development framework, and second one is analytics and business intelligence. So in development framework, it provides a platform for developers to build a customized cloud-based application with built-in scalability and high availability. For analytics and business intelligence, tools for data analysis, finding insights, predicting outcomes, and making information business decisions. These are the kind of things they provide in the platform as a service.